Good day. This is HJT Views on current affairs. All of you are aware that globally, countries of the world have agreed that there should be a minimum 15% corporate tax so that corporates do not organize their tax structures in such a way that they get away with paying just 5 to 10% of their profits as tax. Not even 5 to 10% more because of the tax havens, the tax paid effectively is becoming less than 5%. This is extremely unfair to the individual taxpayers who pay tax at rates that are in excess of 25 and 30%. Now, how much this global initiative will work and how its progress will be, will countries finally work on what they have said they will do, is a matter that the future will show. Because all countries need corporates. All countries need corporates, and all of them are wanting to do everything to attract corporates for their economies. So this is a tricky question. This is a tricky question, and one doesn't know how this is ultimately going to pan out and how it is going to play out. However, in India, if one looks at what is the rate at which individuals are paying income tax and corporates are paying income tax, it would be interesting to see the income tax rate differential between individual tax income tax players and corporate tax income tax players. I personally feel that the rate of tax will be at least 5 to 7% against the individual as compared to the corporate. Now one knows about all the things that corporates do, investments, corporate provide employment, etc., etc. However, if there is fairness, then there has to be some sort of equalization of income tax rates between corporates and individuals. It's only fair. Finally, corporates are working for individuals. Individuals are the C part of business, the customers, the clients, nobody else. The entire corporate structure finally finds its way as products or services to individuals and not the other way around. So it's absolutely fair that if the finance ministry notices that there is a tax rate payment differential of say 5% between corporate tax payments and individual tax payments, individual income tax rates should be brought down to that extent. Tax is not just a matter of paying to the government and fulfilling your obligations. Tax is also a matter of fairness, equity, and giving people their dues in what is expected from them. It is my firm opinion that if the government of India, instead of giving all these exemptions of PF and this and increasing the limits by 10,000, 20,000 every year and making a big shusha and a big show about how they are trying to help the individual taxpayers and the middle class, etc., 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 let them simply reduce the top income tax rate from 30% to 25% as they reduce the corporate tax rates not just a short while ago. Not much is expected out of them. This is very much possible to be done. It only requires a certain amount of political courage to do. I'm well aware that the usual thing about fiscal imbalance, etc., will come in, but I'm not ready to accept it because if income tax rates reduce, I'm sure you will have more people falling into the tax net because the lower the rate, the the worse is the set off between taking the risk of non-payment of tax and paying the tax and having a free mind and no worries on your head. I believe an income tax rate of 20 to 25% will work in the government's favor and not against the government so far as the finance ministry collections are concerned. This is my talk for today. I hope you are enjoying these talks and please share them if you feel they are worthwhile. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Mumbai. Have a good day. Bye.